Do you live in this neighborhood? We keep running into each other. All right, so here's the 8.8 handspan and height folder. I'm going to go in there. And this is the form, the editable form. Let's see what that looks like again. Okay, and I'm going to go back to my drive. And then here's the responses. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, all right, so now you're probably wondering, how do I let my students access the form? So if I go here in the forms, this is the editable form. And you do not want to use this URL or this address to make a QR code, because then they get here and they can completely change this around. For example, they can change it to student, handspan, and monkeys, which is not what we want. So let me change this back. Okay, so this is not the URL we want. No, we don't want this one either. This is for the data. They're not ready to look at the data yet. We want them to enter the data. So let's go back to the editable form, and I'm going to go to View Live Form again. Okay, yes, this is what we want them to see. So I'm going to go here, click it until it turns blue, and I'm going to use Command C to copy it. Okay, this is the address, the URL I want them to access. So now I'm going to make a QR code of it. So I'm going to go add another tab. And I don't remember the name of that website, but I know it's like QR code monkey or something like that. I'm going to go there. Ah, there it is. I'm going to click on that. Now, I'm going to make the QR code. I don't want to put it next to that because it'll read http / http / So I'm going to kind of scroll over that until it turns blue, and I'm going to paste my link, Command V. There it is. And you notice it says View Form. That's how you know you got the right one. It doesn't say Edit Form. I'm going to go down here to Create QR Code. Beautiful. I don't know why that keeps popping up. All right, there it is. So then, how do I get it somewhere? Well, I'm going to say download PNG. So I'm going to download it as an image. And there it is. Well, I don't like having the word QR code. That's too generic. I'm going to have thousands of QR codes by the end of my teaching career. So I'm going to use that little down arrow, and I'm going to change it to hand span and, where's my and? Height, form, and I want it in my downloads. I don't want it in my downloads. I want it in my desktop so I can easily grab it in just a minute. And I'm going to put it on my desktop. And I am done, so I can just close this. I'm going to shrink this, and here it is on my desktop. Please watch the next video so you know what to do with this.